Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Kiara Sky Jelly Tip system, showing you step by step how I put these on. First, you're going to want to etch up the inside of all of the tips. I'm just using my e-file and a sanding band to do that. You could also use a hand file, but I personally find an e-file to be a lot easier. After you rough up the surface of your nail, you're going to go in with step number 1, and that is going to be your prep. This is a dehydrator, and you place that on all of your nails and let that dry. Moving on to step number 2, which is primer. You're going to apply this on all of your nails. Try not to get it on your skin. My nails are really short, so it's kind of hard for me not to do that, but wipe it up and try not to flood your cuticle or anything like that. You just want to make sure it gets all over the nails, but you don't want to flood them. Step number 3, you're going to use the builder gel, and this you're going to apply on all of your nails and then cure for a minute. Please ignore my right hand. I hit my thumb so hard on a cabinet when I went to go open it, and I detached my natural nail from my skin. It is slowly growing back, but that's why I don't have anything on it right now. It was so painful, but it was bruised and it's getting better, so yeah, don't judge me. Okay, so now you're going to take some builder gel and you're just going to place it at the very bottom of the nail tip, and then you're going to put it on your nail at a 45-degree angle. I do recommend like a gooseneck lamp to apply these, but I don't have one, so I have a flashlight that I use that I just put in my mouth. I know it's kind of gross, but hey, it's mine. When I use those little mini lamps, I always cure like 1 or 2 on crooked, and then I get like super irritated because I got to take it off and then start all over. So the flashlight works fine. I mean, you might still cure it on crooked, but it's not as noticeable. Take your file and just file off the very tip because there's that little sharp piece at the end there. And then you're going to buff up the surface of all the nails so we can use polish. I was browsing through TikTok and I put in spring nails and most liked of all time. So I thought it'd be fun to like recreate a video of a design on each of these sets that I found, and so that's what I'm going to be doing here today. It's a little bit different, but still kind of fun. So the first one I found is by Ellen G's, coming in at 1.5 million likes.
This is a sign to get matching nails with her bestie. What we wanted, what we got.
The yin yang stood out the most to me, so I'm going for the pink side since I don't really have any blue polish. The first TikTok that I saw was actually of a lady doing her nails while somebody was driving, and she was in the passenger seat just doing everything in like her lap, which was pretty cool, talented. I don't know if I could do it, but I think that was more for the fact that she was in the car doing everything like right there. I don't know if that was for the actual design or not, although they were pretty cute still. But I guess this would be like the second one, the second TikTok that I saw. Once I'm done with that one, I'm going to move on to the next one, which is by Dayanetsi. And this one came in at 1.4 million likes.
So let me show y'all what I want. This is what I wanted. I sent her the picture. I said I want this. I ain't seen nothing like this on her page, so we tested her to her limits today. Now, I swear to God, she was doing my nails. I was on the phone for like 5 minutes, turned around, the bitch was done. I was confused. I was talking to my mama about some ravioli. Next thing I know, I look up, the bitch encapsulated my nails. Like, man, why are you so fast? And she get to buffing and shit, y'all. She pulled out the fucking drill on me. I was scared as hell. My teeth started hurting, and I thought the bitch was gonna cut me, but she didn't. Miss Nene did good. Now, the bitch buffed my nails so motherfucking tough. I swear to God, I had scratches on them. This how my nails looked after her little aggressive ass was done buffing the shit out of me. Now, you know your nails finna be good when you put it in the gel dryer and the shit dirty. That's how I knew my shit was finna look good.
It was kind of hard to see what the finished look actually was because it was so far away, but yeah, just taking some of that dark green, creating my lines, and yeah, look good enough to me. Moving on to the next one. This is by Nails by Elise. And the next two are actually by the same person. The one that I do on my ring finger, though, actually came in 4th. But I thought it would look cuter on my ring finger than it would on my pinky. And that one came in at 692,000 likes.
I actually do cuss a little.
Do you?
Also,
What's your favorite curse word?
Probably fuck.
Really cute nail design. I feel like the cow print and animal print in general has just been really popular, especially this year. So I tried that nail hack for the French where you draw the line down the middle of your nail and then you draw a straight line at the bottom, and it's supposed to make it easier. I didn't really find it to be any easier than just like freehanding the line. I don't know. I had to go back and forth and really fix this up and start over. Maybe with a few more tries, like I'll get it down and it'll be easier, but I don't know. Taking my black gel and just kind of making those little splotches and yeah, finishing up that design. The next nail design, which is also a French and by the same person, Nails by Elise. This one would have been third place. I'm just doing it on my pinky, and that one came in at 917,000 likes. First go stand my back, how my I found it kind of funny that the most like nail designs I feel like were the most simple. Like I feel like beginners could do these nail designs with, you know, a couple tries. There are tons of people, especially people that I follow, that do intricate nail art and stuff like that. And I guess it depends on the type of hashtags that you're using. But I found these all to actually be fairly simple. The last design that I'm going to be doing on my thumb is by Boutique Barrieg. I hope that I'm saying that right, but this one came in at 515,000 likes. I really love the way that this design looks. I've done something similar like this on my channel last year it was, but you take some white polish. You don't want to use a gel that doesn't leave a sticky base, so you do want to use a regular white polish gel. Cure that in the lamp for about 45 seconds to a minute, and then you're going to go in with your pigments, and then the pigment is going to stick on the sticky layer of the gel. Once you do that, you're going to wipe away any excess, and yeah, then you can just top coat it. Super simple, and the pigment is incredible. It looks so pretty. The colors are so pretty. I feel like you could rock these at like Coachella or something. These types of like French nails with the like the rainbow colors and everything. So pretty. I love it. Once I'm happy with how everything turned out, I'm now just going to take some top coat and apply that onto all of my nails. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a full minute. So you guys, this here is the finished look. Let me know in the comments down below which design is your favorite. I think I like the thumb the best. I just like the ombre, and the color payoff looks so good. And I like the cow print. I think that's just super cute. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys like, and then yeah, what you guys want to see. Any new nail designs, any kits, any reviews, any particular type of product. Let me know. I need ideas always. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.